Let's master the most important road sign names with their meanings. Let's go. Stop sign. Stop sign means come to a complete stop. No entry. No entry means do not enter. Give way. Give way means let others go first. Go straight. Go straight means continue forward. Turn left. Turn left means go to the left. Turn right. Turn right means go to the right. Two-way traffic. Two-way traffic means vehicles move in both directions. Traffic light. Traffic light means signals control stop and go. Pedestrian crossing. Pedestrian crossing means people may cross here. Bicycle lane. Bicycle lane means lane only for bicycles. Traffic signal ahead. Traffic signal ahead means signals are coming. Railway crossing. Railway crossing means train tracks ahead. No overtaking. No overtaking means do not pass other vehicles. No bicycles. No bicycles means bicycles are not allowed. Vehicles prohibited. Vehicles prohibited means no vehicles allowed. Parking. Parking means you can park here. No parking. No parking means do not park here. No stopping. No stopping means do not stop here. Horn prohibited. Horn prohibited means no horn allowed. No pedestrians. No pedestrians means walking is not allowed. Children crossing. Children crossing means children may cross. Unguarded railway crossing. Unguarded railway crossing means no gate, check before crossing. Animal crossing. Animal crossing means animals may cross. Disabled parking. Disabled parking means parking only for disabled persons. School zone. School zone means slow down for children. U-turn. U-turn means turning back is allowed. No U-turn. No U-turn means turning back is not allowed. Narrow road. Narrow road means less road space. Steep slope. Steep slope means steep road ahead. Flood warning. Flood warning means water may be on the road. High wind warning. High wind warning means strong winds. Yield sign. Yield sign means slow down and give way. Falling rocks. Falling rocks means rocks may fall. Slippery road. Slippery road means low grip. Loose gravel. Loose gravel means small loose stones. Fog. Fog means low visibility. Crosswind. Crosswind means side winds affect driving. Sharp turn. Sharp turn means sudden turn ahead. Double bend. Double bend means two turns ahead. Hairpin bend. Hairpin bend means very sharp turn. Steep descent. Steep descent means downhill road. Steep ascent. Steep ascent means uphill road. Road narrows. Road narrows means road becomes smaller. Narrow bridge. Narrow bridge means limited space. Low clearance. Low clearance means limited height. Tunnel. Tunnel means enclosed road passage. Roadwork. Roadwork means construction ahead. Diversion. Diversion means use another route. Dead end. Dead end means no way forward. Speed breaker. Speed breaker means bump on road. No pets. No pets means animals not allowed. Rough road. Rough road means bumpy surface. Uneven road. Uneven road means not flat. Roundabout. Roundabout means circular junction. Merge ahead. Merge ahead means lanes join. Lane ends. Lane ends means lane finishes. Divided highway. Divided highway means road has divider. End of divided highway. End of divided highway means divider ends. Crossroad. Crossroad means roads cross. T-junction. T-junction means road ends at another. Fork road. Fork road means road splits. Side road. Side road means road joins from side. Fuel station. Fuel station means fuel available. Electric charging. Electric charging means EV charging available. Airport. Airport means direction to airport. Railway station. Railway station means direction to station. Toll plaza. Toll plaza means payment point. Information. Information means help available. Distance sign. Distance sign means shows distance. Dangerous goods. Dangerous goods means hazardous materials. Staggered junction. Staggered junction means side roads join at different points. Axle load limit. Axle load limit means weight per axle limit. Telephone emergency call. Telephone emergency call means emergency phone available. First aid. First aid means medical help available. Police station. Police station means police help available. Accident-prone area. Accident-prone area means high accident risk. Restricted area. Restricted area means limited access. Direction sign. Direction sign means shows directions. Map route board. Map or route board means shows routes. Speed limit. Speed limit means maximum speed allowed. Detour. Detour means temporary alternate route. Barricade. Barricade means road blocked. Fragile load. Fragile load means handle with care. Bridge ahead. Bridge ahead means bridge coming. No left turn. No left turn means left turn not allowed. No right turn. No right turn means right turn not allowed. No trespassing. No trespassing means entry not allowed. Rest area. Rest area means place to rest. Food. Food means eating place available. Drinking water. Drinking water means water available. Toilet. Toilet means restroom available. One way. One way means single direction traffic. Keep left. Keep left means stay left. Keep right. Keep right means stay right. End of speed limit. End of speed limit means no speed restriction. Great job, friends! We learned the most important and useful road sign names. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more learning videos like this.